Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor or they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 53.50 here for a put. I got that at 53.50. And out for a $50 scalp on that one. I will go ahead and pause. I should note I'm also doing options. If you don't know what I mean by that, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, or option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And that'll walk you through just terminologies, what's going on here. I know sometimes options have a reputation of being very complicated, and they can be made that way, don't get me wrong, but they don't have to be made that way. So if you like to take more of a simple approach to things, then that guide, I'm confident, will really help you out. And options are also great if you have a smaller account. That's not necessarily why you have to use them, but if you do have a smaller account, then they certainly offer up quite a bit more flexibility. So that's just something to consider too, if you're looking to create some more opportunities for yourself. So like I said, just put guide down below. But starting off the day with a $50 move, and if I don't know if you're familiar with my screen or not, but you can just see the gain right there. And then this is what I'm watching. So if you want to scroll back, you'll see that when this number here went up over the $54 mark, that is when that white order turned to green, meaning I was filled and was able to sell. So nothing fancy, just a quick little order, quick little trade there for 50 bucks. I will pause and let's see what else I can find. Have an order at 52.50 here. That's what I wanted, so I'll cancel that out. And maybe I can get an even better entry point here. That was a wrong move. Should have kept it there. Granted, I'm trading in hindsight right now, but let's see what it wants to do here. Yeah, I'm doing a video right now. I don't know if you can, I don't know if the mic's picking up my daughter or not, but I'm on kid duty right now for our second to youngest. So if you hear any voices in the background, it's not me going through a second puberty or anything like that. It's just my daughter in the background. I don't even know if the mic's picking it up. And I'm also not talking to myself. I do talk to myself sometimes, but okay, let's go to 52 here. For another put. Just putzing around too much. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at $50 here, or yep, 50. Whoa. Well, that was as fast as I could get in and click, I was out. You will definitely, did I even hit record? I think I did. You will definitely have to scroll back on the video and watch that one again. And the way to watch that is I threw an order out there that was white. It changed to green. And then I threw another order out there. And for a literal split second, it would have been white. And then it changed to green. So that was quite literally $50 in less than one. Well, let me check. 1,000. Yeah. 1,001. One Mississippi. Oh, yeah. That was definitely 50 bucks in less than 1 second. I like those kind. So in other words, by the time I'd gotten filled and the time I had brought my cursor down to click on that button, so it got filled, brought my cursor down to click sell, it had already gone enough in my favor. I was able to get out right away. So yeah, I like those ones. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 55 here. Yeah. What do you need? Okay. I'll go ahead and pause. Didn't quite hit me. And you can see I'm trying to deal with deal with my daughter. I'll pause. Have an order at 51.50 here. Nope, not filling me. So I'm going to go to 49.50 now at this point. As you saw, would not quite fill me. So play it a little bit more conservative here now. Go to 49.50. I will pause. Well, transparency's sake, got that one wrong for sure. Granted, again, I am trading in hindsight, but should have given that one a few more seconds. But again, had the price exploded upwards, I would not be sitting here saying that. So, take that with a grain of salt, because we are always have that hindsight confirmation bias. But yes, with hindsight, my original plan was right, and I did not need to cancel that out. But that's why trading's hard, right? Because you can have an original plan, but then do you stick to it? Well, in that situation, I did not stick to it, and so the plan was right, but I chose poorly in terms of whether or not I should stick to it. So, all right, I'll pause. Have an order at 57 here. In at 57 for a put. And out for $50. Very good. I will pause. Have an order at 54.50 here. All right, didn't quite get up there. I'll pause. Have an order at 54.50, in at 54.50, and out for another very fast $50. Fantastic. I will go ahead and pause. And I really do apologize if I'm seeing very clumpy and I am. Come here, Kit. Come here. I am trying to do multiple things at once. Can you say hi?
No.
Say hi.
No.
Okay, are you shy? Say hello.
No.
Okay. I'll set you down.
No.
You want me to hold you? Okay. So Kid is a little too shy to say anything. But yes, if you're wondering, can you day trade and watch kids? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe you think this is not very effective. Maybe you think this is not very wise on my part. But there you go. I'll leave that decision up to you. But I am at least attempting to trade while being on kid duty. So if you can handle a little bit of conversation, if you can handle things in the background, then maybe it's something that you can consider. But yeah, not too bad. Hanging out with my kid, making some money, I'll take it. I'm going to continue to watch this one closely and see if another opportunity arises. I will go ahead and pause.
Pause.
And that's going to be actually all that I do here, because I got to now go and pick up my other kids. I don't know how new you are to the community, but I actually have 6 kids. So I have to go pick up the other 4, I think, 3 or 4. When you get so many, you just start to throw on estimates, but I have to go pick up the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good. Very straightforward day, not all very quick trades, which that first one I think took a little while if I remember right. But anyways, I'll go ahead and I'll be happy with the $200 as somebody that does this as a side hustle, meaning I do this for the freedom of time. I'm not looking for the Lamborghini. I have many other streams of income. Like I said, I just do this as another way to put some money in my pocket. And I would encourage you to do the same thing in terms of building multiple streams of income. And if I can put $200 in my pocket after just a couple hours of work, even though I wasn't even at my computer some of the time, then I will go ahead and take it. So now, am I going to get my Lamborghini? No, but I'm not after a Lamborghini. If you're after a Lamborghini, then cool, go for it. I hope you get that. But at this stage of my life, I just want to be able to have the freedom of time and be able to do what I'm doing right now. Hey, I want to be done. I need to go do other things. So that's what I'm going to go do. So I'll take my $200 and be happy about it. So thanks for hanging out. If you enjoy the live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Everybody take care. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.